If you're an Apple user juggling multiple devices, you know the hassle of tangled cables and scattered chargers. The BENFEI 3-in-1 Foldable MagSafe charger stand with USB-C hub tackles this problem head-on, combining wireless charging and powerful connectivity in one sleek, compact device. It's designed to simplify your workspace while delivering high-speed charging for your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods, alongside a versatile USB-C hub for laptops and peripherals. One of the standout features is its foldable, ultra-compact design. Whether on a desk, nightstand, or on the move, the BENFEI stand fits comfortably in your palm or bag. The adjustable viewing angle, up to 60 degrees, allows you to switch between portrait and landscape modes without interrupting charging, making it ideal for video calls, streaming, or content creation. The minimalistic, sturdy design feels premium, and its build quality ensures durability over long-term use, perfect for both home and travel setups. The BENFEI 3-in-1 Foldable MagSafe charger stand with USB-C hub is more than a simple charging dock. It's a complete power and connectivity solution. Perfect for Apple enthusiasts, professionals, and travelers, it eliminates clutter, enhances productivity, and adds a touch of sophistication to any workspace. With fast charging, versatile hub features, and portable design, it's a true game changer for anyone looking to simplify and supercharge their digital life.